Meet Glowforge, the 3D laser printer that lets you make magical things at the push of a button. With a Glowforge 3D laser printer in your home, your next creation is never far away. Your Glowforge lets you take your designs from idea to reality. Print on dozens of beautiful materials like fabric, paper, leather, and wood. Anything you imagine, you can bring to life. Create meaningful gifts for friends, something personalized just for you, or unique products to sell. Glowforge makes it easy for anyone to see where their ideas take them. Just use a pen to draw directly onto your materials and watch your designs take shape. Your Glowforge sees the design and does the rest. From curiosity to creation, from imagination to invention, you never know what ideas you'll launch next. When you don't want a design from scratch, you can browse and print from the Glowforge design catalog. Personalize a design to create something truly unforgettable. With Glowforge, you'll find inspiration all around you. So when a big idea strikes, you'll be ready. The Pro Pass-Through unlocks your largest, most ambitious plans. Put it to work for you, creating something impactful, even furniture. DIY projects take on a whole new meaning. Transform your home with stunning creations. Spend time making more than just memories. Make more with Glowforge.
Worried that your family is spending too much time on their mobile devices? Well, now you can turn any time into family time with the Cinemood 3-in-1 Magic Cinema. It's like having your own movie theater wherever you go. With over 65 Disney ebooks and videos preloaded on the Cinemood Smart Projector, you can share treasured bedtime moments with your child every night.
Special time for Elsa and Anna. It was their mother's birthday. Were there reindeer rides?
Plus, you can set the timer and choose a soothing lullaby to lull your child to sleep. There's more than 120 hours of cartoons and kid-friendly entertainment that can be projected onto any flat surface for long car rides, sleepovers, camping trips, and in your own backyard. Plus, stream YouTube or Netflix for an exciting family movie night together. You can even control Netflix with the free Cinemood app. Or download Netflix family favorites to watch anytime, anywhere. Plus, watch your favorite personal videos or slideshows. Just save them onto a memory stick and connect it with a USB cable to the Cinemood projector. You can even use an Apple Watch to control the entertainment, so everyone is watching the entertainment you want. Cinemood 3-in-1 Magic Cinema. Make any time family time.
It's called Meeting Owl.
Yep, Meeting Owl.
I'm gonna download that app right now.
lighting up.
Nice. Oh, it looks like an owl.
Oh, that's so
Let me see.
cute. I like that it's such a clean design. There's
Yeah.
not too many buttons or too many things to press. It's
Oh, the owl's lights are on.
Oh, the owl's getting serious.
Whoa. Wow.
That's cool.
That's crazy.
it's getting all of us. Take a picture, pal.
Oh, wow.
Because it looks so cool.
Wait, how did you just do that?
I think it changes depending on who's speaking.
Oh, interesting.
It
So,
changes.
Hi, this is me saying more things.
They're good.
That's crazy. This is absurd.
Oh, I love it.
This is nuts. This app lets me focus on a certain place if I don't want it to move
Oh, gotcha.
automatically anymore.